This is the Dale T. Mortensen building, which is our international house for students and researchers at Aarhus University. This is a place where you can get all the services you need in one place. You can eat in Dale's Cafe, you can take courses in our conference rooms, you can live in the IC dorm, and you can get practical assistance in the International Center. We provide relocation from when the agreement has been made with coming to the university and until the researcher chooses or may choose to leave the university.
My name is Begoña. I'm from Spain.
Paperwork is very important, and that's why we have developed this orientation and registration event Getting Started in Denmark, where we provide orientation about important matters you have to do right now when you arrive. And then we actually taxi the researchers down to the International Citizen Service, where they get registered immediately. So in just one morning, they actually get all the paperwork done in one go. Our aim is that everything is taken care of and the researcher doesn't have anything to worry about from the beginning and to the end of their stay here at Aarhus University.